Thank you for taking the time to take a look at our online parts order system offered by Beneteau America. First, we want to take a look at the correct website, which is at the top of the screen, which is spareparts.benetauusa.com. From that website address, you'll be able to get your customer code and password by clicking on the New User link at the bottom of the page. Once you fill that out, it'll be submitted to Beneteau, and then we will have to manually enter you in the system. So please allow 24 to 48 hours to get the sign-on and password returned. We also have the ability, if you've forgotten your password, to click on the Forgotten Customer Code, and by using your email address, we will email you your sign-on and password again. Also, please make sure to check your spam filters after you send in these requests to make sure that it doesn't automatically get sent into your spam email. I've already filled in my client code or my customer code and entered my password. So we're going to go ahead and enter the site. You'll come to the main screen. Across the top of the screen, you'll have several choices. First one we want to look at is customer information, where you can update your billing information and password. You can also have multiple delivery addresses. You can set up one for your boat yard or one for your dealership, or if you're in transit somewhere, you can set up a temporary address to have parts shipped there. And then also you can manage your credit cards from this screen. From your order information screen, you have My Basket. So if you received a part number through email, either from your dealer or from us directly, you can open your basket, enter that part number, and check out immediately. You can also view any of your orders that you've placed with Beneteau America on the online parts order system for the history of your account. So even if you just started using your online parts order system, any orders that you place with us over the phone will be visible through that system. You can also check on how many parts you have outstanding with us, orders that have not shipped. So we're going to show you how to order 3 different parts on 3 different boats, each doing it a little bit different to show you some of the versatility of the system. So the first part we're going to order is a simple stanchion on an Oceanus 45. So here we're going to go into the sailing section. We're going to select our model. We're going to scroll through the models until we find the Oceanus 45 model. Here. We are going to search on the drawings by clicking here. This is going to break the boat down into families and subfamilies. You'll need to spend a little bit of time browsing through some of these to get an idea of where certain parts are located on the boat. Since we're looking for a stanchion for this boat, we're going to go into the deck fittings. We're going to click the drop-down box, and that's going to be in the human protection area. We're going to click on the search feature. It's going to bring up a drawing here, and then our information side is over here. We're looking on the drawing, and on the first page here we do not see the stanchion that we're looking for, but there are 2 drawings to this family, and you'll see the listing here, drawing 1 of 2. So we'll click on the icon and look at drawing 2 of 2. Okay, now we're getting a better look at what we're looking for. We see the stern rails, the bow rails, the gate stanchions, and the single stanchion, which is number 7. So what I'll have to do in this case is take number 7, put it in the mark box number, and click OK. From there, we can get a description of the part. We can see this is the part number, and it's telling us that it's replacing an old version part number. It should be good. You can see that the retail price of the part and how many were used on the boat. Also, you have the option to click on this window and it will open up a photo of the part that you can view, just to confirm this is the part that you're looking for. Always recommend once you view the part, always to click on the red X to close the box completely. Since this is the part I want, I'm going to add this to my basket. It's going to confirm how many do I want. In this case, I'm just going to order one. And that has added the part to my basket. But we also want to order some other parts. So I'm going to go into other models. And we're going to go back to the main screen to select our next model. The next thing we're going to do is a Monte Carlo 5 navigation light. So we're going to go into our motorboat inboards, scroll down until we find our Monte Carlo 5. This is a newer version boat, so the program that runs it is a little bit different, and you'll notice at this point we're going to start to use the drop-down menus to break the boat up into the similar families. In this case, we're going to scroll down until we get to the navigation lights. We're going to click on the navigation lights. It is going to bring up a picture. This version has a little more versatility here, so we can roll our mouse over the different icons and it'll pop up a window to show us the price and the descriptions of the parts. So in this case, I'm looking for this navigation light. As I click on it, it will bring me down to the menu list at the bottom of the page. And if I notice, there are actually two number 4s. We have to pay very close attention to the beginning hull number and ending hull number. So from 0 to hull 46, use this one hull number, and 47 and up, use the next part number. You can confirm also by clicking on the blue box here, which shows documents. It'll bring up a picture of the part for you to look at. That way you can confirm you're getting the right thing. To order it, again, you would click on the shopping cart basket here. It'll ask you how many you want to confirm. We're going to order one of those. And we've just added the part to our basket. We want to order another part, so we're going to go back to the main catalog screen, and we're going to go to a Beneteau First 35, and we're going to order a water pump filter. Scroll down until we find the model that we're looking for. First 35 is here. We're going to find the part a little bit different. We're going to click the drop-down box and have the boat break down for us. But instead of going into the family section, we're going to go into the search box here, and we are looking for the water pump filter. So in this case, I'm going to use one word, simple word, and I'm going to put in pump. And it's going to browse through all the parts that are used on the boat and find everything that has the word pump in it. I'm going to click the Start Search. Okay, we have some shower pumps coming up. We have a pump bracket. We have bilge pumps, manual bilge pumps. I don't see the filters on this page, but this is only record 1 of 10 of 20, so we're going to click to the next screen. And we're getting to, now we're looking at 11 of 20. We have some more shower pumps, foot pumps, water pump filter. So in this case, if I know that's exactly what I'm looking for, I can add it to my shopping cart, or I can double click on it and it will take me to the drawings and descriptions of the part. So it's pulled up now a photo of the plumbing board. I can see that item number 4 is the water pump filter. I can see the price of $15.09. I can also again pull up a specific drawing, excuse me, a specific picture of the part, and that's what it looks like. And if that's the part that I need, I can add it to my cart. Now the part's in our cart, so I'm ready to check out now. I can go to my order information. I can go to my basket. I can see the 3 parts that we've just ordered. By looking at the stoplight device, I can tell what is available and what is not available in stock. Just because it's not in stock, we can still order it, but it may take us a little bit of time to get it delivered to you. You also have the options to view the part pictures again in case you missed them the first time. Again, if you have the part number of the part, you can add it here and add it to your basket. We have 5 steps in the checkout process. So we have our basket fill. We're going to confirm that. We're going to move on to the next step. It's telling you here that you have 2 items in red that are not currently in stock. Do you want to keep them on the order? Yes, we're going to order them, and we're going to get them when they come in. This is your billing information. You're confirming this is your billing name, address, phone number. You only need to change this if your billing information has changed. You can also update your password. Since this is all correct for me, I'm just going to go on to the next step and confirm my shipping and confirmation of the order. If I wasn't ready to order this, I could change this to a quote and it would save it for me. Here I can select from my address book multiple addresses, which you have created previously from the other options. The address that you're shipping to will be shown up here, and then you have a choice of how fast you would like to have the service shipped, either 3-day, next day, 2nd-day air service. Also on this, you have the option to select whether you want a full order. I want all of these parts to ship together in one group, or a partial shipment. In that case, I will ship the stanchion right away and fill the other 2 as soon as they come in by clicking in the boxes here. There will be freight charges for each additional shipment. Move on to the next step. It's confirming the order. We only charge your credit card at the time of shipment. We have this credit card, which is the last 4 digits. You can add a new credit card if you need to, and I'm going to stop at this point because I don't want to charge the actual credit card for these parts. At that point, you're going to get one last screen, which is basically going to show you all the information about the order, where it's shipping to, the shipping method that you selected, and you will confirm it, and then that will actually place the order in the Beneteau system, and we will start processing your order for you. I hope that was not too much information all at one time, but I think it'll be helpful to see this as an overview. And please remember to contact us if you have any questions, or if you don't see the part that you're looking for on our parts order system, you can connect to us through the contact screen at the top of the page here. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video, and let's go sailing. Thank you.